again, as always, looking very beautiful. What are you wearing tonight?
Tonight I'm wearing Gauri and Nenika, and I think if anybody in our country defines glamour, it's them. So it was just appropriate that I would wear them.
But how important for a woman or a girl to be stylish or fashionable or glamorous?
I think, firstly, we as women, we love fashion. We love looking good. That is celebrating everything woman. So glamour, fashion, style is very subjective. It's not specific. I don't follow any trends. I think if you feel beautiful, you are beautiful. If you like the way you're looking, that's all that matters.
But do you think I'm wrong?
Glamorous or stylish?
कहाँ से? एक्टर और एक्ट्रेस राइट नाउ मुझे कंगना का स्टाइल काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा है. आई थिंक वो शी इज़ वेरी डेयरिंग और आई थिंक इट हैज़ अ लॉट टू डू विथ हर एटीट्यूड. शी इज़ वेरी बिंदास कि मैं ये पहन रही हूँ तो मैं पहन रही हूँ, अभी जो कहना है बोल दो, यू नो. एंड अमंग द एक्टर्स हुज स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट आई एम लाइकिंग, सॉरी, अमंग द एक्टर्स I think there's just one really stylish man who's always been stylish is Jackie Shroff, and in the younger generation I would have to say they have a long way to go before they touch that.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
I prefer being beautiful in my own eyes. As far as I think as an actress I would definitely pick that. That's a tongue twister. As an actress, I would definitely pick glamour because you always want to be just most glamorous.
But like, you know, when you explode yourself so very well, been acting or been production now, so what are the ventured trajectory of production now?
Listen, just because I'm into production and I'm into acting doesn't mean I can't be glamorous.
Who's just saying that you can't be lined up projects? Anything?
I can do it all.
What are holy plans this year?
Holy plans? Well, Holi is right after my birthday, so first I'm going to celebrate my birthday and then I'll see. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, Rolly guys. Excited for the evening from Fashion.
Oh, yes.
So you're on the mark, sir, please. So one mic, please, quickly, sir. So passion, style, glamour, sir, everything in one, sir. How excited are you for the evening, sir?
जाएंगे तो पता चलेगा.
सर लेकिन जिससे भी कहा सबसे फैशनेबल एक्टर बॉलीवुड में कोई भी हो या इंडियन सिनेमा में हो, अमिताभ बच्चन से डू एग्री?
बहुत बड़ा झूठ बोल रहे हैं.
But whom according to you is?
Lovely. Oh, that is such a sexy picture. I do. I wish they would like lift me up and hold me. Yeah, that's true. I haven't seen you in 100 years.
प्रे कि उससे आगे ही बढ़ना है. एंड होली प्लान्स आई एम शूटिंग है.
What are you wearing?
Thank you. I'm wearing a Namrata Joshipura, and this is supposed to be a jacket dress with a belt.
स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर में से क्या लेना पसंद करते हो आप, स्टाइलिश या ग्लैमर?
मेरा पर्सनल स्टाइल बहुत ही क्लासिक है और आई प्रेफर कीपिंग इट सिंपल, कीपिंग my outfits as comfortable as possible, but still trying to make a statement.
But if you get a chance to pick one out of two, one would be being glamorous, second would be being stylish. Personally, what would you prefer?
Being stylish.
Why?
I just think it defines a person's personality more, and I also believe that being glamorous can also, like, you can look glamorous wearing a full sleeve t-shirt or like being fully covered, so you don't really have to be glamorous when you show skin, and it's your personal style that defines glamour.
Are you Holi plans this year?
Sorry?
Holi plans this year?
I'm going to be shooting, so I don't have any plans this year.
So only the wishes for the viewers. Yeah.
Hey guys, this is Kajal Agarwal, and I wish all of you a very happy and safe Holi. Thank you.
You're done, guys? Wait.
Hi, how are you? Okay,
Holi?
सबसे पहले तो फिल्म फेयर के बारे में जानना चाहिए, स्टाइलिश और ग्लैमर कैसे डिफाइन करेंगे?
Style and glamour, how would I define it? It depends on what you're comfortable in and what you're comfortable wearing in your own style. That's what style and glamour is for me.
Today you are looking very stylish, so tell us about your clothes.
I'm wearing a Harsh dress, and the jewelry is my own.
Your sister is also here. How excited for you the evening tonight? Because being glamorous and stylish, how important for a person also? Would you like to know that?
Well, I'm excited to be here, and your other question was how important is style and glamour? Well, it does help you define yourself, but not to a large extent, I feel, because your personality does that for you. So, yeah.
What changes did you come to your day-to-day life after Shamitabh? Would you like to know that also?
I've grown as a person. I've definitely discovered what kind of actor I can be, and it's helped define me as, to an extent, to what actor I can be. Yeah.
Any Holi plans do you have this year?
Yes, if I'm not shooting, then I'm definitely going to play Holi.
What are the wishes here for the viewers?
Here's wishing everyone a happy Holi. Yes, thank you.
Congratulations.
How are you doing?
Very good, very good.
कैसा है?
Excited for the evening, first year Glamour and Style Awards, film fest निकाल रहे हैं आज, first year. How excited are you for the evening tonight?
We're very excited.
Very excited actually, yeah.
But how important is for a person to be glamorous and stylish? What would mean to you?
Of course very important because जिस फील्ड में हम लोग हैं वहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, एंड इनफैक्ट अगर आप इस फील्ड से नहीं भी हो तब भी इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
लेकिन अगर पर्सनली आपको चूज करना पड़े दोनों में से एक, whether being glamorous or being stylish, what would you personally prefer?
Stylist.
And why? What's the answer?
You start there.
I would prefer looking glamorous, and he would prefer stylish, because I think people would want to follow his style, and so that's why he wants to be stylish, and I want to look good and glamorous.
लेकिन और एक क्राइटेरिया में हम बात करें being trendy and being stylish, और being trendy and being comfortable.
I would say comfortable.
Yeah, and experimental.
What are Holi plans this year? Any Holi plans this year?
Not really.
Holy plans?
हाँ, event कर
we
रहे
are
हैं.
dancing.
We are earning money.
So wishes for the viewers.
Happy Holi. Hi, this is Debina.
Hi, this is Gurmeet Chaudhary.
Wish all the viewers a very happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Hello, how are you?
So whom you're wearing tonight? Let me know.
This is Nachiket Barve. I feel I'm ready for a rock show right now. But because it's Style and Glamour Awards, I thought I could experiment, and yeah, so that's why.
Manasi, कितना important होता है being stylish and glamorous?
I love dressing up, so I don't know if it's important per se, like outside, but I really like it, and I'm from the fashion background, so I love trying new things, and I like dressing up, and I like, you know, doing all this. So for me, it's very important. I just feel good.
But personally, what would you rather prefer having? Pick one out of two, being glamorous or stylish. What would you want?
Isn't it the same thing? Like when you're stylish, you're also glamorous. I think for me, it's just like.
How will that change the criteria?
Yeah.
Between comfortable or being trendy?
Trendy.
Why?
Just I don't know. I would definitely prefer to look good over being comfortable. I would prefer this if I can look good and comfortable at the same time. But if I have to really choose, then yes, looking good.
Like what's next? Your friends are eagerly waiting. कि हाँ Manashwi.
Yeah. अभी तो कुछ नहीं है. We are talking like I have 2 films with the same production house. That is going to happen somewhere mid this year or end this year. Apart from that, a couple of projects are like in talks, but nothing's like finalized.
Any holy plans?
I think I will be at the Times Holi party. Okay, I want to wish all you guys a very happy Holi. Thank you.
इसका बाइक इधर कर
एक सेकंड रुकेंगे क्या? एक सेकंड मैं ट्रेन
अवार्ड के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
Well, I think पहली बार है जब.
Can I just congratulate her?
Thank you.
How are you doing?
All well.
Congratulations.
Thank you. I think अच्छा लगता है जब when you're always given an award, but I think ये award बहुत ही special है क्योंकि पहली बार फिल्म फेयर स्टाइल और ग्लैमर अवार्ड्स कर रहे हैं. पहले जब फिल्म फेयर अवार्ड्स परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जीता था, and for the first time this is style and glamour, so I'm really happy. Thank you.
Already started.
Already started?
Good. So how excited are you for glamour, fashion, style, all together for Times Film Fair Award?
Very excited because I think all girls get excited when it comes to fashion and glamour, so I'm like every other girl.
But apart from this, how important for this person to get themselves stylish or presentable in front of people or being glamorous at the end of the day?
I think it's just important to have a lot of confidence in yourself and also to believe in yourself, and I think it's well to have fun, you know?
But that would be considered as the internal personality of a human body, but what about the external one? How would you present that?
How would I present that, my external?
Apart from you, not personally, generally.
I think you just have to be yourself. That's the most important thing, and you just have to let your personality shine. That's very important.
तो बॉलीवुड में आप किसे सबसे ज़्यादा स्टाइलिश और फैशनेबल मानते हैं?
You know what I'm gonna say. Sonam. Glamour and style. I think style comes from within, and glamour comes as a package. Yeah.
Thank you.
Brothers. Yeah, thank you.
is there.
smile. It's the
You can pose. This is people culture. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, okay. Your turn. Come.
So unwell.
1 minute. So how was it? Excited? Enjoyed the evening tonight?
Yes, I enjoyed the evening. I was very excited. I was very surprised that I won an award, and I'm very happy.
Happy?
Yeah.
Next. Done?
That's it? Okay, bye.
सर अवार्ड सर अवार्ड के बारे में क्या कहते हैं Thank you guys. Pleasure.